Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Spotler CRM. Spotler CRM, found at spotler.com/CRM, is a customer relationship management platform. It offers a centralized hub for managing customer interactions, sales processes, and marketing campaigns. While the specific features and capabilities may vary based on the chosen plan, Spotler CRM generally provides tools for contact management, sales automation, email marketing, and reporting and analytics. Users can organize customer data, track leads and opportunities, automate repetitive tasks, and gain insights into sales performance. Spotler CRM aims to empower businesses to streamline their operations, improve customer relationships, and drive revenue growth. It's important to note that features, pricing, and specific functionalities are subject to change, so it's always recommended to visit the official Spotler website for the most up-to-date information. My own experience with the platform has been: insert your personal experience here, expand on this to meet the length requirement. Discuss specifics about what you liked, disliked, found useful, found challenging, etc. Provide concrete examples and anecdotes. You could also compare it to other CRM platforms you've used, discuss the onboarding process, customer support interactions, or specific features in detail. The more detail you add here, the easier it will be to match the original length. So, be sure to check out Spotler CRM at spotler.com/CRM and let me know what you think in the comments below.